Good morning. Welcome to the hands-on session on add or delete attributes from an object in Python. Create a student class with the register number, name, year, phone number or object attributes and get info as a method to obtain the information of the student. After creating the student class, we will discuss how to add or delete attributes to the student class object. Let us discuss how to create a student class. So here we are using the class student. Here the class is a keyword and student is the name of the class. And here we use the doc string is this is a student class for a demo of delete attributes. And here we are using the constructor to initialize the attributes of the register number, name, year and phone number. So here we are using the init method to initialize the register number, name, year and phone number. And the register number is assigned to the self dot register number, name is assigned to the self dot name, year is assigned to the self dot year, phone number is assigned to the self dot phone number. So automatically the register number, name, year and phone number are the attributes of the objects of the student class. And we define the get info method and its main purpose is we want to display the name of the student studying which year. For that reason we are using the print and f is a formatted output and we are displaying the name of the particular student, that is self dot name, and studying self dot year is displaying which year is studying. Now we create the student class. And once the student class is created, we want to create a S1 is a student class object and with the register number is 2, name is Kumar and year is the first year and his phone number is the 9091929394. So using this statement, S1 object is created. Now I try to use the get info. So what is the need of the get info? It simply display the name of the student. Here in this S1 object, name is Kumar and studying is a constant string and the self dot year it simply displays the first year. So using whenever we are using the S1 dot get info method, it simply displays Kumar is studying first year. So automatically we obtain the output is the Kumar studying first year. Now we discussed about how to create the student class and how to create an object of the student class. Now let us discuss about how to delete an object attribute. For example, we want to delete the phone attribute from the Kumar student object. Now our requirement is, for example, Kumar is not interested to continue to use the phone. He feels that due to the phone, he is unable to concentrate on studies and he is not interested to use the phone for the next 1 month because he want to get the good score in the end examinations. So we need to delete the phone number attribute from the Kumar object that is represented as the S1 object. So automatically, so first we simply display what is the phone number attribute value in the S1 is S1 dot phone number. It simply displays that 90919293, that is the output is displayed on the screen whenever we use the S1 dot phone number. Now in the Python programming language, it supports has attr. Its purpose is it simply takes the object of the Python class and attribute name. If that attribute is belongs to the one of the attribute of the particular object, it returns it true. If that one is not an attribute of the particular object, it returns the false value. Here we are passing the parameters object name is S1 and the attribute name is phone number. So automatically has attr function returns the true value because that is the presently the phone number, register number, name and year. These are the attributes of the S1 object. For that reason, it simply returns the true value. Now our requirement is we want to delete the phone number from the S1 object. So we are using the command in the del s1.phone number. Automatically the phone number is simply deleted. Now we want to again verify that phone number is existing on the S1 object or not. Here we are using the has attr of S1 comma phone number. It automatically returns the value is the false. So here we simply use this one. automatically it returns the false. That itself indicates that once we delete the attribute using the command is the del, and from which object we want to delete, we need to specify the object name followed by the which attribute we want to delete, phone number. Here in this example, del s1 dot phone number, if the phone number attribute is deleted from the s1 object. So I hope you clearly understand how to delete an attribute from the object in the Python programming language. Till now we discussed how to delete an attribute from the Kumar student object. Now we will discuss how to insert an object attribute. For example, we are assuming that one student is married and we want to record the student spouse information. So here we are trying to insert spouse attribute to a student object. Now we want to create a student object S2, which is the 29 is the register number, Rani is the name of the student, fourth year is the year of the student, and the phone number is 9090909090. Based on that one, it creates the student object S2. Now we want to add an attribute. For example, we are assuming that Rani is married in the final year and her spouse name is Kamal. For example, 99% of students are unmarried, only one or the few students are married. We are adding an attribute to the particular class. It is an unnecessary addition. Instead of that one, in the Python programming language, supports to add an attribute to the particular object itself. For example, Rani is married, her spouse name is Kamal, and we want to add the spouse name to the S2 object. So we simply use the statement is s2.spouse is equal to Kamal. Automatically, the spouse attribute is added to the S2 object and the value is the Kamal. We want to verify is the spouse is an attribute or not. So already we know that has attr is a predefined method and it takes the parameters is s2 and the spouse. So it simply verifies if the spouse is an attribute of the s2 object or not. So here it simply returns the true value. Now we want to use the print function to display the Rani spouse name. So for that reason, in the print statement, we are using the formatted output s2 dot name, spouse name is s2 dot spouse. So automatically it displays the Rani spouse name is Kamal. And next we want to verify the spouse is an attribute is existing in the S1 object. It simply returns false because we are added the spouse attribute to the S2 object only, but we are not added to the S1. For that reason, it returns the false value. And already we discussed it, phone number is deleted from S1. Now we want to verify the phone number is existing on the S2 object. So we simply use the has attr of S2 comma phone number. It returns true. That itself indicates that if we delete an attribute from an object, it is deleted from that object only. It is not deleted from the remaining objects. And similarly, if we are inserting an attribute to the particular object, only it is inserted to the particular object only. The remaining objects it is not inserted. I hope you clearly understand how to insert. It is a simple one, object name dot new attribute, and we assign a value. Automatically the new attribute is added to the particular object. And similarly, whenever we need to delete, we use the del object name dot attribute name. Automatically particular attribute will be deleted. I hope you clearly understand. Thank you for listening. Thank you.